This is everything I ate in a day as a vegan, creating and eating only recipes from the just released plant-based bundle, which is a collection of over 200 vegan ebooks and programs. For breakfast, I made the carrot cake smoothie from the Happy Scan Kitchen ebook, and oh my god, let me tell you, it literally tasted like high-key like a freaking carrot cake. I was so happy because it's my favorite cake. Then for lunch, I made the apple citrus salad from the Eating Whole 28-day meal plan. This was super quick and easy to make and like the perfect light crisp lunch. I did add some vegan chicken on top just to bulk it up, but oh my god, it was so delicious. Then for dinner, I made the vegan spicy Thai peanut ramen, and let me tell you, honey, this is one of my new favorite ramen dishes. If you like curry, peanut noodles, and ramen, you have got to make this dish. And listen, I didn't even go all out, okay? You saw her photo. She added like mushrooms and veggies. I only put peanuts on top of mine, and it was seriously like 10,000 out of 10. I will be making this again and again and again. Last but not least, dessert. Now, I have no idea who Chef Summer Storm is, okay? Not a freaking clue, but her cookies and cream chocolate chip cookies from the Garden Grove ebook are everything, okay? They are soft, chewy, crunchy, and gooey. If I give me a cookie, I will be one of those damn cookies. Then to finish the night off, I had a glass of Pinot Grigio, except it was old, so it tasted like ass, and I was sad because my mouth no longer tastes like the delicious cookies. Anyways, if you want to purchase the plant-based bundle, it is linked in my bio. It is only available until November 28th, and it is only $50, whereas if you were to purchase everything separately, it would cost you almost $9,000. So this is kind of like winning the lottery.